Let's do this together. First, add reference image if you want to. You can import reference image by tapping here. Now set reference image size and position. Good enough. Now add primitive or object to the scene. For my reference image I choose sphere. Validate it. Select Gizmo tool if you haven't already. Now follow these steps carefully. Perfect. Now add a box and validate it. Drag this box downward and make it bigger than sphere. Now select both objects and hide the box. Now tap boolean and hit boolean to trim the sphere. You can also do this operation with the trim tool, but I like it this way. Now increase voxels for smoother shape. I'm using my custom smooth edge tool for more smoothness. You can use the original smooth tool too. Now add cylinder shape into the scene. Validate it. Select Gizmo. Bring down the size vertically. Decrease voxels to make it smoother. Perfect. Attach both objects perfectly so they don't look floating. Good enough. Now copy or clone the bottom part. And now drag it down. Make it little thicker. Now make another clone from it. Drag upward. Now select the drag tool and make these adjustments. Turn off the mirror option. Now select the move tool. Now select the bottom part and make a clone. Drag it down. Now select the drag tool. Now select clay tool and make these adjustments. Make it smoother by using the regular smooth tool. Now add cylinder object. Make little adjustments to the object. Now use crease tool. Make it smooth. Now add square object. Now add a sphere again. Now select all seeds and make them join or group. Now select the Move tool. Please hit like if this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.